Hi there guys, and welcome to video 3 of your 3-part series. So today we're going to talk about goal setting and a little bit about mindset. First off, goal setting. When you come in here, you should have a plan of exactly what you're here to achieve. And the best way to break it down is to look in set weeks. So we do it in the 4th week, the 8th week and the 12th week. So let's say the overall goal is to lose 2 stone in those 12 weeks. In the 4th week, we'd be looking for you to drop a stone. By the 8th week, you should be hopefully on the way to dropping another 7 to 8 pounds. So by the time 12 weeks comes round, you will have absolutely smashed it. I want you to think of a massive goal. So something that's realistic and specific to you. Don't just pick a goal because your pals thought it's nice, or you've seen something crazy in a magazine where she's dropped 5 stone in 8 weeks or whatever. Pick a goal that's specific to you, that actually means something to you. Why do we want it to mean something? Because if you choose a goal that one of your pals has chosen, or something you just think sounds alright, you won't have the determination and you won't be able to stick it out. If you've got a goal that means nothing to you, let's face it, they're not going to turn up to gym sessions based on somebody else's dreams. I want you to think about something really, really deep that means something to you, that when you achieve it, you'll be the happiest person in this gym, alright? So, don't focus too much on the weight side of things. Focus, we always find, on jean sizes, dress sizes, maybe a shirt you've always wanted to wear, or a lot you might be on the programme for getting married. Think about the worst area on your wedding dress that you really want to tone up, so when you're looking awesome on your big day, you think, I've really worked hard for that. Alright, so 4 weeks, 8 weeks and 12 weeks, write down before you come here a goal that means something to you and work out how you're going to achieve it and what you need to lose in those specific time frames. Alright, next one, we're going to move on to mindset, okay? What is mindset? Mindset is how you approach situations. A lot of people come in here and we do things with them they've never ever done before, like things like prowler, deadlifting, bench pressing, lifting heavy weights, alright? For women, this is quite a strange concept because usually you associate the lifting heavy weights with big muscles. Not the case, ladies. We're going to have you lifting heavier, moving faster than ever before, but you're going to be looking lean as ever, okay? So, when you come in here, please be coachable. So by be coachable, we mean things, don't approach a situation by going, oh, because there's no chance I'll be able to do that, or I don't want to try this, don't want to do this, don't want to do that. Let us do the coaching, and you just do the workouts, alright? Everything we've done in here, we have been doing this for over 7 years now, so we have tried every method that you could probably think of, have heard of before. So the ones we're using today are bang up to date and the most effective, alright? That's the results we're producing that you've probably seen on our like page or the nice before and after pictures. We know what we're doing, so please come in here, nice and positive, be open to new methods, and please execute everything we tell you to do, alright? If you have a great mindset, you will smash this transformation program into pieces, okay? Mindset can make or break a lot of people in here. We understand at times you might have a little bit of a meltdown, but if you have any problems, give us a little holler and we're more than happy to assist you. So, short and sweet for this video, but remember, have a clear goal before you turn up here and have a positive mindset. These two things are absolutely massive for smashing this transformation challenge. I cannot wait to meet you. This is the last episode, so I'll see you when you arrive. Peace.